Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here learning is always fun. But it's so hot here in Delhi in the month of July. Why don't we make ourselves a glass of lemonade? To make a lemonade, we will require some water, sugar, lemons, salt and some ice. So all these things that we are using to make lemonade are called nouns. But some things are countable and some things are uncountable. And that is our today's topic, countable and uncountable nouns.
Nouns in the English language are grouped into two categories, countable and uncountable nouns. Their usage in the sentences is also different. In this video, we'll explore more details about countable and uncountable nouns, their definition, rules, examples, and list. Let's start our learning with the definition of countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. The nouns that can be quantified or counted using mathematical numbers are called countable nouns. For example, I purchased an apple yesterday. Here, the noun apple can easily be counted as one apple or three apples, and hence apples is a countable noun. Uncountable nouns. The nouns that cannot be counted or quantified using a mathematical number are known as uncountable nouns. For example, water is flowing. Here, water cannot be counted, hence, it's an uncountable noun. Pass me the salt, please. Here, salt cannot be separated as individual item and normally seen as a whole, so it's an uncountable noun. Need some wood to make my bed. Reva eats a lot of jam in the breakfast. Here, wood and jam are uncountable nouns.
Now look carefully students. This water is uncountable. A glass of water, we can count a glass of water but not water. Lemons are countable, 1 lemon, 2 lemon, 3 lemon, but this lemon juice is uncountable. Then we are putting sugar. Sugar uncountable. How we measure sugar? 1 spoon of sugar or 2 spoons of sugar. Then this salt uncountable. I have put a pinch of salt in this lemonade. Spoons countable. Ice uncountable, but these ice cubes are countable. I have put 2 ice cubes in this lemonade. Then straws countable. Paper uncountable, but tissue paper countable. Very tasty.
Names of persons, animals, plants, insects, and objects with definite shape are all countable nouns like giraffe, men, trees, insects. These are all countable. We can count 1 giraffe, 2 men, 3 trees, many insects. Countable nouns can be quantified by a number like 1 building, 4 spoons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds. Hence, these are all countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are quantified by an amount rather than a number. To measure or classify uncountable nouns, we use of after a measurement like a glass of water, a pinch of salt, a log of wood, a bottle of jam. But liquids and gases can also be made countable by counting the containers they are in or by using a unit of measurement like 2 liters of water, 1 kilogram of salt, 100 ml of jam. So we can use container, 1 bottle of jam, 2 bottles of jam, or we can use unit of measurement like liter, kilogram and meter. Countable nouns can use a, an or one before them like a table, an octopus, an egg, 1 coin. So we can use a, an or one before countable nouns. But with uncountable nouns, we cannot have a or an before them. We cannot say a milk, rice, smoke. It's just smoke, not a smoke. Oil, not an oil. Countable nouns can have singular and plural forms like balloon and balloons, child and children. They can be singular and plural as well. But uncountable nouns have only one form, that is singular form. Bread, butter. I like to eat bread and butter in the breakfast. Rain. We see a lot of rain in monsoon season. Flour. My mother uses wheat flour to make chapatis. Countable nouns can use many or few before them. Energy checkpoint to see whether a noun is countable or uncountable is by using some determiners like many or few before them. For example, many books. There are many books in the library. Why are there only few stars in the sky? How many animals are there in this zoo? But uncountable nouns can use much or little before them, like much juice, little sugar, much money, a little cheese. To sum up, following are the quick checkpoints to differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns. And the first one is countable nouns can be counted by using numbers. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted by using numbers 1, 3, 7, 10, etc. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. Uncountable nouns can only be singular. Countable nouns can use a or an before them. Uncountable nouns cannot use a or an before them. Countable nouns can use modifier many or few before them, but uncountable use the modifier much or little before them. A list of countable and uncountable nouns with examples in a general sense is produced in a tabular form for the proper understanding of the countable and uncountable nouns. So these are some common countable nouns. You can read them, learn them. And this is the list of uncountable nouns.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you must have enjoyed countable and uncountable nouns concept. Till now we have covered almost all the concepts of noun. I have introduced common and proper noun, concrete and abstract noun, noun possession, singular and plural noun, nouns gender, and countable and uncountable noun. The links of all these videos are given in the description box, but still some revision and practice is left. So my next video will be on worksheets of nouns so that you will be able to attempt all the questions that are asked in the examination hall related to nouns concept. So stay tuned in. Till then, bye. Thank you. Take care.